Update 5 on now Tropical Storm Bertha, which has weakened in the Atlantic and moving, racing up north in the Atlantic. Visual satellite imagery now, you can barely distinct Bertha. Out of all these systems, this area of low pressure up here is Bertha with a lot of clouds associated with it, not all of it because this is part of it's combined with a front right now. Here's the forecast track. You can see by 8 p.m. Wednesday it will be extratropical and still be extratropical by 8 p.m. It's not going to be, once it's post-tropical, it's not going to come back. But for about maybe 12 more hours or a little longer, maybe 24 hours, for about a little more than 12 or so hours, it will be tropical storm, and then by 8 p.m., 24 hours or less, it will be extratropical. The winds are at 50 miles per hour and moving northeast at 23 miles per hour. Location is 37.5 degrees north, 68.1 degrees west. As the 11 p.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center. Pressure is on the public advisory. We'll check. Here's the pressure. Pressure is at 1,007 millibars, or 29.74 inches, and is located 405 miles, or 650 kilometers north-northwest of Bermuda, and 545 miles, or 875 kilometers south-southwest of Halifax, Nova Scotia. There is no warnings in effect right now. Here we're going to look at the infrared imagery. Here's the infrared imagery. You can see how it was daily and more thunderstorms that showed up around the center, but it's not going to present an extratropical. The sea surface temperatures are really cold, not warm enough for tropical development. So that means these thunderstorms are eventually turning into an extratropical cyclone, post-tropical cyclone. But it does have a lot of thunderstorms, and not all these are not associated with the storm. We'll check another infrared, the shortwave infrared. Here's the shortwave infrared. You can see a lot of it blue, darker blues in the system. And again, you can kind of looks like the rainbow infrared. Here's the AVN infrared. You can still see kind of the same again. Lastly, here's the RGB infrared loop. You can see thunderstorms and a lot of this lighter clouds here. And see more thunderstorms popping up around the center again. Next, we're going to check the future of Bertha as post-tropical now. Here's the tropical storm wind potential for the storm now. Is less percent chance of the winds coming on Newfoundland as it was yesterday. You can see only a 10% chance, barely, and a 5% chance. And Nova Scotia is out of the wind field. So that's good news for that, but what could be over here in Europe? We could see something as an extratropical cyclone. We'll have to check that in the next couple days. Here's the water vapor. You can see a lot of water vapor where Bertha is going, but still a lot of dry air around the system. So we're not that much affecting it anymore since it's pretty much dying. And lastly, we're just going to check the wind history of the system of Bertha. Here, lastly, is the wind history. You can see how Bertha was here all through. Here with tropical storm force winds, and you can see how it was lopsided here with the hurricane force winds in a certain part, and as it is right now. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. This is possibly the last update on Bertha. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye.